Veal Parmigiana, an Italian classic. And some say it was one of the Dapper Don's favorite dishes. Yeah, we're talking old school, red sauce, white tablecloth, backroom kind of dining. But hey, you don't have to be the godfather to enjoy this dish, because Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this classic at home. And we're adding a little twist. Let's get cooking.
Are you ready to start cooking? Well, let's get into it. I've got some thin sliced veal cutlets, and we're going to do the old flour egg wash Italian breadcrumbs. So first, we're going to take our veal cutlet, we're going to put it into some all-purpose flour, make sure it's coated on both sides, shake off any excess, right into the egg wash, both sides again, and then we're going to go right into that Italian breadcrumb. And I like to set it in there, put a little bit on top, and press down. Make sure that coating gets on there and sticks good. Then we'll flip it over to the other side, just like that. And what I like to do when I'm done coating all my meat is put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or two. That just helps to make sure everything sticks to the meat. Now, frying pan. Got regular vegetable oil in there, 350 degrees. I'm just going to do 2 cutlets at a time, and they're going to cook pretty fast, about a minute to a minute and a half on each side because they are so thin. But once they turn brown, we'll flip them, and then we'll pull them out, drain off any excess oil, just like that. And then we'll set these on some paper towel, just so they can drain off any excess oil. So we're going to finish cooking the rest of these cutlets, and once they're done, we're going to get out a small non-stick frying pan. If you don't have non-stick, stainless steel will work as well. So we're going to put that down and get our, whatever your favorite sauce is, whether it's canned, store-bought. I happen to have some left over from a couple days ago when I made sauce. So about 1.5 cups is going to go right into that frying pan on medium-low heat. Then we're going to come back with some shredded whole milk mozzarella, about 1 cup or so, and just going to cover the top of this sauce with the mozzarella. And what's going to happen is that sauce is going to heat, the mozzarella is going to start to melt, and you're going to have a perfect coating for our veal cutlet. Instead of layering it in a baking dish and then baking it because it's already cooked, we're just going to heat up this sauce, melt the cheese, and we're going to pour this right over the top of our veal cutlets. So let's lay down 3 cutlets, just like so. Then we're going to come right back nice and slowly, lay our sauce and melted cheese right over the top, just like that. It's nice, it's hot, it's coated, it's beautiful. All right, there you have restaurant quality, beautiful veal cutlet, veal parmesan. Next thing we're going to do is just going to top it off with some Romano cheese, and you are golden. It's a really easy dish to make. You can substitute the veal for thin chicken if you like. But I saw the veal was on sale, so I splurged a little bit. Hey, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video. I appreciate you all very much.
Because Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this classic at home, and we're adding a little twist. Let's get cooking. First things first, you need thin sliced veal. Nice and tender, that's the key to this whole deal. Now we go old school, the classic breading station, flour, egg, and Italian breadcrumbs. Give those cutlets a nice coat front and back. Press it in, don't be shy, you want that crust to stick. Now here's a pro move. Let those cutlets sit in the fridge for a couple hours. The breading sets up.